Hey, it's Joanne with Photo Art Pavilion. Let's learn how to create a blog. When you go to photoartpavilion.com, you'll sign in to your account, hit the sign in button, put in your username and your password, and then hit login. Once you're logged in, you'll head over to your dashboard where you'll see a button that says blog. You're going to scroll down and go to new post. Here, you'll be able to upload a featured image for your blog. You'll also be able to put in a title for your blog, and you'll also be able to input your content for your blog. Now, I've copy-pasted just to get this moving along pretty quickly for you to see. Within the body of my blog, I've put in some text where I've inserted links to go along with the reading. So these links now are giving people the opportunity to jump over to other areas of the website where my art resides. The first link goes specifically to the art piece that you see in the image. This link is taking readers over to all of my black and white collections. And the last link takes readers over to my entire art portfolio on Photo Art Pavilion. Now once you have all those elements in, of course proofread, now go in and create hashtags for your blog post. Hashtags again are designed to help people who are navigating the web. They use hashtags as search features throughout the World Wide Web. It's also a great way to search through the Photo Art Pavilion website itself. So I highly recommend that you put in some tags in your blog. Once all of that information is put in, you'll save it. You'll see that there's a little notation will pop up that'll say your post was saved successfully. And we'll go in, the curators will go in and we'll monitor the blogs and just give them a quick look before they go live. Once they go live, they reside under the main navigation of the website, under the blog link. Under that blog link, you'll see all of the art photographers that are associated with Photo Art Pavilion. Their blog posts are sitting in here. But that's not the only place that they sit. They also are visible on your personal Photo Art Pavilion art page. So when when you direct an art buyer over to your page on Photo Art Pavilion, you'll see that they'll have a button there that says blog. They can click on that blog or they can click on the main blog area of the website, but either way they're going to be able to find your posts. This is a great way to stay in touch with your art buyers, and it's a great way to create a stickiness to your art sales environment. Hope that's helpful for you. If you need more information, just shoot us an email. hello@photoartpavilion.com.